hot rods, and what we have for you today is this beautiful 65 Ford Mustang. And we're going to do a walk around and go over the vehicle and all the exterior features here. Starting at the front driver's side as we usually do. Coming over to the gaps between the hood, fender, all straight up even, line up nicely here. You'll see also this car is in the correct original honey gold exterior paint. We do have the 289 badging on the fender on both sides here on the front. This is not a 289, this is a 351 Windsor. We'll go over that when we raise the hood and we'll show you the engine. This does have the nice wheel covers on there, really dresses up the car nicely. Coming on down further here, we have the Mustang emblems here, and those are on both sides. We have our gap from our driver's door to fender. Lines up very nice and even the whole way down. Elevations, as you can see here, body lines line up very nice and right on the money. And we do have the nice GT stripe going across the bottom in black, and that is also on both sides. Coming down, you'll see the glass, driver's side here, the windshield on the driver's side windows here, very nice condition. I don't see any cracks or chips in there. Coming up through here to the front of the windshield, we got a slight little scratch here, chip in the windshield there, but besides that, all very nice. Bright work, nice and chrome here, pretty nice condition. You do have a little bit of scratching, aging here and there, a couple little indentations, but overall, as you can see, it's very nice. What we're going to do now is open up the driver's side, let you see the inside and interior from this viewpoint. It is the stock Palomino dash, door panels, and front bucket seats. Those are in vinyl. Automatic floor shifter. It is factory air conditioning. You can see the unit there in front of our shifter. Very nice interior on this, very nice dash pad. No cracks, chips, or anything or scratches in that. Very nice condition inside there. It matches the outside of the body very nicely. Moving along, we have our gap and body line from the quarter to the driver's door. Goes on down very nicely. You see elevations here. Body lines line up great on this side as well. And the paint on this car, overall, as you can see, it's beautiful. Very nice, smooth paint. No cracks, chips. It's a great paint job on this vehicle. Gap on our trunk lid from our quarter to our rear panel here, even the whole way across, even coming down. And our back window glass, as you can see, is in great shape. Coming to the back of the vehicle, start with our headlight, our taillight bezels, excuse me there. Bezels, lenses, all in very nice condition. I don't see any chips, anything on there. Slight little scratch in this one here, but overall not too bad. Rear bumper, still in great shape. A little bit of age on that, but as you can see, looks very nice. What we're going to do now is open up the trunk and let you see everything inside of here. We'll go over the components in the trunk. Starting off with our weather strip, coming all the way around. Looks fairly new. It's in great shape. And the underside of the trunk lid, our jam all painted body color. Going inside the trunk now, we do have a spare tire. We do have a jack that also goes with the vehicle. Lifting up our liner here, you'll see your gas tank is part of the floor on this here, so that is the whole center of the floor here is your gas tank, which looks fairly new. And you can see the rest of the area, the trunk is painted the body color and looks in great shape. Closing up the trunk, we're going to move along here. Our gap between our passenger quarter now in the trunk looks great, nice and even. And as I said with the gap back here, nice and even the whole way across. Passenger side quarter, moving on, you can see the paint on this car is just smooth, great condition, bright work looks just as nice as the other side. And our gap between our quarter and our passenger door, as you can see, nice and even the whole way down. And the elevations, body lines line up right on the money there. Glass on this side, great shape as you can see. What we're going to do now is open up the passenger door so you can see inside here. See the interior from the passenger side. As you can see, the seats are in great condition. No tears or anything there. And the color on them just beautiful. It goes with the gold paint. Moving along up here to the passenger fender door gap and elevations, you can see body lines line up great, and the gap is nice and even the whole way down. As you can see, there's our stripe and our emblems on this side as well. And our hood gap to passenger front fender is also nice and even the whole way down. Coming along to the front here, our paneling around our grille, our headlight bezels and so on, you can see great condition on both sides, nice and smooth, no paint chips there. Front of the car is just in great shape. The grille, great shape, no chips or anything in there. And the front bumper, the chrome, really nice on here. Couple little aging marks here, but overall, great condition. What we're going to do now is raise up the hood and let you see the engine. You can see the underside of the hood is body color. Under the hood here is not a 289 as I stated earlier. This is a 351 Windsor engine. Not the original engine, but a lot more powerful than the original one would have been. Very nice power plant on this one to move this light little car very quickly. Everything else is pretty much stock intake, stock ignition is all stock. Stock style radiator. This car does have factory AC as you can see here, and we noted inside the interior. Manual brakes. It does have power steering. Everything else under here is pretty much stock in great condition. I love the Ford blue matching. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to get this up on a lift and show you everything on the undercarriage of the vehicle.